Good morning, respected sir. My name is Kumari Soumya. Today, I, along with my partner Swati Seni, will be presenting our topic low-cost rapid diagnostic kits for rural areas.
Rapid diagnostic kits, also known as RDKs, are medical devices that help detect disease within minutes without using complex laboratory equipment. In rural areas, access to hospitals and diagnostic labs is limited. Low cost diagnostic kits help in early diagnosis, timely treatment, and better disease control. They are simple, affordable, portable, and reliable.
Rural population face challenges such as lack of laboratories, shortage of trained doctors, and poor transportation facilities. There is also a high prevalence of infectious diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, dengue, and COVID-19. Early diagnosis reduces disease severity, mortality, and spread of infection, strengthening primary health care.
A rapid diagnostic kit is a point of care testing device. It detects antigens or antibodies using samples like blood, urine, or saliva. These kits do not require electricity and results appear as visible colored lines or color changes.
Common types include lateral flow assays such as pregnancy tests, dipstick tests used for urine testing, paper-based microfluidic devices which are low cost and eco-friendly.
The sample is applied to the sample pad and moves through the strip by capillary action. If the target antigen is present, it binds with labeled antibodies and forms a complex. A visible colored line appears at the test line while the control line confirms test validity. Results are obtained within 10 to 20 minutes.
These kits are used to detect infectious diseases like malaria, HIV, dengue, hepatitis, and COVID-19. They are also used for non-infectious conditions such as pregnancy, diabetes, and anemia, especially during outbreaks.
Advantages and limitations. Advantages are affordable, easy to use, rapid results, portable, and suitable for rural fields use. And the limitations are lower sensitivity than laboratory tests, chances of false results, and confirmation tests may be required.
Biotechnology plays a major role through the use of monoclonal antibodies, recombinant DNA technology, and nanotechnology, improving the accuracy and reliability of diagnosis kits.
Government programs like Ayushman Bharat, National Health Mission, and Make in India support low cost diagnostics. In the future, AI based smartphone linked and multi DG diagnostic kits will further improve rural healthcare.
To conclude, low-cost rapid diagnostic kits are essential for improving rural healthcare. They enable early diagnosis, reduce disease spread, and save lives. With continued innovation and government support, these kits can ensure affordable healthcare for all.
Thank you, sir, for your time.